Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi, and in today's video we are going to talk about products that I regret buying. And trust me, there are a lot of products that just didn't seem to work for me. Now, this is not a hate video against any brand. Some of these are still some of my favorite brands, to be very honest. But it's just experience, okay? Like when I tried out these products, they didn't work for me. It may work for you, they just didn't work for me. Now, the first thing I want to talk about, and this is definitely one of my all-time favorite beauty brands, which is why this was such a disappointment, and that is a Forest Essentials body mist with oud and green tea. Now, I love Forest Essentials, even though it's so obnoxiously expensive. I love this brand, I love their products, but this body mist was a massive disappointment, to say the least, because number one, it's a body mist, right? It's supposed to hydrate your skin, refresh your skin, make you feel nice. This thing is loaded with perfume, and so much of perfume, it almost, when I used it for the first time, I was actually going out somewhere and I was like, okay, let me just try out this new body mist that I got for myself. It was a summer season, and I smelled like I was wearing some cheap cologne. Like I had to change my entire outfit and everything. It was so bad. I am still disappointed. Like I used it for one time, then I used it again because I thought, okay, let me just give this another try, because I couldn't believe how bad it was. Apart from the really cheap smell, it also didn't feel refreshing on the skin. It felt more like I'm just putting on some, painfully colored and fragranted water on my skin, and that was it. I didn't feel that my skin was hydrated or anything. So basically it's a waste product. Very unfortunate, because otherwise I love this brand. Like they have the most amazing sheet masks out there, but this product, please stay away from it. Okay, next I want to talk about a product which and a brand which a lot of you have actually asked me to review, which is Skinkraft. Now, complete disclaimer, I actually discovered these products a while ago. It's just been lying with me for a real long time now. So they actually sent me a cleanser, a serum and a cream. The cleanser and serum were really good. I actually finished them off. It's the cream which was a problem, and this was a massive problem. So it came with a disclaimer. I don't know why they actually even gave this disclaimer. Actually, it makes sense, but still, they gave a disclaimer that use it carefully, see how your skin responds to it, sort of a thing. So I was careful. For the first I used it for 2 or 3 days. I don't remember now. It's been a while, and my skin broke out so badly. My skin became super oily. My pores got super clogged, and my skin started breaking out, which doesn't happen a lot with me, by the way. I don't think I'm allergic to any things as such, and my skin behaved very badly for the next couple of days, and I was freaking out. So having said that, since you wanted me to review the brand Skinkraft, do I hate the brand? No, I think it has potential, but they definitely have some work to do. And if this is the kind of products they'll be sending, I don't want to try out their products anymore in future. They were not bad with the cleanser and the serum, but the cream just killed it for me, to be very honest. Next I have with me a product from the brand Simple. Now Simple has amazing micellar water, amazing face wash, but they have the absolute worst sheet mask. And it's amazing that a brand like Simple especially could go so wrong with a sheet mask. Now I actually purchased 7 or 8 sheet masks because there was an offer going on, so I used 2 of them. Now I'm not going to use them again, but let me actually show this to you. Do you see how the mask has been cut out? It just doesn't fit my face. Now I understand that for a sheet mask, it's obvious that it will not always exactly fit your face, right? But this is not even designed for Indian faces. This is just not for us. On top of that, even the serum was very weak. Even the mask, the fabric was very weak. After using the mask, my skin felt hydrated, but not as hydrated as it should feel. Now, sheet masks are not cheap, right? And this one I think cost me 100 or 150 rupees. 150 rupees is the MRP. So for 150 rupees, you expect your skin to feel really nice, light and hydrated. That didn't happen. After using it, just after a while later, my skin started feeling just normal again. So it was a massive fail for me. Next I want to talk about a product. Okay, I'm really, it's quite unfortunate that this product has made it to the list, but it's primarily because of the packaging. It was really badly packaged, which is a Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD Cover Up Concealer. Now, when you see the product, it's actually very difficult to get the product get the product out of the tube. When I was trying to use it for the first time, I actually take it in my mouth and suck it. So the air pressure will get the product up, like when you suck into a straw. And then I got a bit of the concealer on my tongue, and it was some kind of drama because it just tastes bad, right? But keeping that aside, how is the concealer in itself? Well, the concealer isn't very good either, personally speaking. What I felt was the consistency was a little too thick, so you have to really work with it. It's not very highly blendable, and for beginners, I am not someone who is a pro at makeup myself. I felt that if you don't blend it well, which is highly likely considering how thick it is, you could end up with a bit of a white cast and that uneven cakey look as well. So I would definitely not recommend this concealer to anyone. Faces All-Time Pro HD does have some good products. This is definitely not one of them. Okay, next I'm going to talk about a product which I actually picked up from Amazon because I was thinking of doing a video on best face washes, best chemical exfoliating face washes a long time back. Unfortunately, I couldn't find enough products, but this one was definitely the absolute most awful, most ridiculously awful of all, which is the Glycolite Max Skin Rejuvenating and Lightening Foaming Face Wash. It contains 6% glycolic acid and 2% salicylic acid. Sounds promising for a first time user, but no, it contains so much of perfume. It is loaded with perfume, plus it's a very soapy, harsh soapy formula. Now my skin is already dry, so it made my skin more dry and dehydrated. Will it work for people with oily skin? Probably not, because it's still a very harsh soapy formula, and even if you have oily skin, you don't want your skin to be dehydrated. Personally, what I would recommend is give this product a miss. It costs rupees 270, and honestly for this price range you can get much better face washes. So this, not a good buy. Another product which I really want to talk about, and this has been lying with me for a while again because I was thinking of doing this video for a long time, and this is the Dead Sea Salt, all natural and mineral rich. Basically it's a sea salt, it's a bath salt which you put in your bathtub, and you take a nice relaxing bath, except that you don't. Because first of all, what I hated about this product, the first time when I opened the packaging, even now if you can see this, it starts leaking some kind of oil. I mean, why should this even be happening? I don't want this to happen with my products before I use it, right? And this product costs rupees 449. That's the MRP, so it's not cheap. It's almost 450 rupees, and it's not very different from simple Epsom salt. So you can buy like a big packet of Epsom salt for 200-300 rupees, and in fact I'll put a link in the description box below if you want to check it out. You can even make your own bath salt. Just take Epsom salt, put a few drops of essential oil, any essential oil that you like, and there you have it. Your bath salt is ready. This is for 450 rupees. It does nothing great, plus there is oil leaking from all sides, so you can definitely give this product a big miss. Last but not the least, now this was a product which I was actually sent to review on my channel, and I am so glad that didn't happen, because this product was such a bad one. I cannot even begin to tell you what a disappointment it was. So this is the Vintage Perfumes Queen Perfume Body Spray. Now this body spray doesn't last for more than a couple of seconds, not even minutes, I think, and it again smells a bit like cheap cologne. Now honestly guys, when it comes to perfumes, I would always say that buy something which smells rich, because it speaks volumes about your personality. And if even that's a lot for your budget right now, simply use rose water or add a few drops of essential oil to your bath water, and that should do your job really well. So yes guys, that's all I wanted to share in today's video. These are some of the products I definitely regret buying, and this was my personal experience. Would I suggest that you buy them? No, obviously, because it didn't work for me, and I would not suggest you to buy them. Having said that, if you do want to give them a try, or if you are currently using them and if you like them, please let me know in the comment section below. I would be happy to stand corrected. And why not? I mean, just because something didn't work for me doesn't mean it doesn't have to work for you. I think this would especially be true for the Skinkraft cream. I really feel that I just was one of those unfortunate customers. I know I have two friends who actually love this brand, so there is no reason why you couldn't be one of them either, right? So let me know in the comment section below what you think, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and remember, every Friday Superwowstyle non-sponsored videos where I'll be talking about things that you guys recommend me to talk about. Thanks for watching guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.